In this video, picking out bread spreads and trying them. But before that, like, share and subscribe.
It's Sunday. I'm feeling lazy today. And let's see what we can have for breakfast. I have bread here, but no companion to go with it.
Since I'm feeling lazy, let's find a companion for this piece of bread. I grew up having bread, butter, jam. So definitely mixed fruit jam of Kisan has to go in the cart. So let's pick out some exotic stuff. How about this strawberry marmalade? In famous 5 and Secret 7 books that I grew up reading, always Enid Blyton described different jams, marmalades, preserves. I've always been fascinated by this, so let's add this to our cart as well. Next, we add a preserve to have with our piece of bread. This is a blueberry and blackcurrant preserve. Later, during testing, I will describe the difference between preserve, jam, and marmalade. After adding all these sweet options, we should add something which is not so sweet as well. So we will add this peanut butter to our cart as well. During COVID, peanut butter started flooding the Indian markets, and since then, I have been slightly addicted on and off. But let's see how this one fares with regards to next. Ooh, this sounds interesting. Lotus Biscoff crunchy and this Lotus Biscoff smooth. I've never had this one yet. Of late, in the last year and a half, Lotus Biscoff has flooded the market, particularly in the cakes, etc. So let's add this to our cart as well. Last but not the least, how can we end bread spreads without adding Nutella? Having since college and not having stopped since then. Let's add this one and see which one wins amongst the rest. We've reached home and suddenly Lazy Sunday has become exciting Sunday. We have these slices of bread and so many spreads to try on. First, we will start from different varieties of jam, preserves, and marmalades. I've always wondered what's the difference between them. Jam is essentially chopped fruit or crushed fruit which is cooked with sugar. Meanwhile, a preserve takes up the whole fruit or large pieces of fruit which is cooked in sugar. And the difference between a marmalade and preserve is a marmalade also the fruit is cooked. However, usually it is made of citrus fruits. In this case, we've got a strawberry marmalade. However, it has citrus peel in it, which makes it different and gives it a bitter and a tangier taste than your sugary jam and preserves. So let's try. We will start with the strawberry marmalade. Ooh, this is a whole chunk of strawberry fruit. Let's apply it on the bread. Quite smooth it's spreading. Now let's try it. Yummy for sure. It's sweet, not as bitter as tangy as I thought it would be because this is strawberry flavor and the citrus peel is not very prominent as such. The fruit also it merged with the jam. It was not very chunky. And I would rate this a strong 8.5 on 10. It's quite yummy for sure. Next, we will try this blueberry and blackcurrant preserve by Mackays. Preserve is the whole fruit cooked in sugar as such. Oh, I can see a few chunks here. Blueberries flavor is quite prominent and blackcurrants too. Maybe because I prefer strawberry over blueberry and blackcurrant, I would like this one more. But this one is quite sweet for sure and little sour as well. So I would rate it a good 7.5 on 10. So now we will try this jam by Kisan. quite smooth, but in this I can see a lot of water as well. To be honest, these two seemed more natural in terms of the fruit flavor coming out. This one is, of course, yum, sugary, lovely, but I would give this a 7 on 10. So, this is currently would be placed here. Next, after trying all these sugary bread spreads, let's try peanut butter. This is the creamy version by Lulu. Quite soft, and as far as health wise is concerned, I'm sure peanut butter would rank over all these because of peanuts, which are a good protein source as well. Though it's calorie rich, sure, it has definitely more nutrients. Now let's try based on taste. I like this one. I don't like peanut butter as such. This one is very smooth, not very sweet as well. Very interesting. So I'm not a fan of peanut butter, so my ranking would be based on that. But based on other peanut butters, I would be ranking. This would be again a 7.5 on 10. So this one comes here. Next one, we will be trying this Lotus Biscoff one, which I'm so excited about. Now, Lotus Biscoff was originated in Belgium, and what makes it unique is the cinnamon flavor. Now, let's spread it over a piece of bread and see how it tastes. This is how it looks like, quite smooth. This is the crunchy version of Lotus Biscoff. It almost tastes like the biscuit itself. Awesome. This is, I would rate it a 10 on 10. And this one goes here. I would definitely recommend you guys to try this Lotus Biscoff spread. Last but not the least, we have this Nutella flavor. I love Nutella. Honestly, I don't need to spread it on bread also to taste it, but let's see how it tastes with bread on. Usually, I eat it as is because of the hazelnutty, yummy flavor that I love. This is so smooth. Paired with bread, it reduces the strong sugary flavor for sure, and I would give this a 9 on 10. So, in my ranking, the Lotus Biscoff flavor wins. You can check out all these ones and write in comments which is the one which you like.